Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Vanila. I welcome you to my channel where you can see a lot of videos, a lot of fresh content, a lot of older content, and you can watch any video you like. And in this video I'm trying to do a try and haul with the things that I've done lately. So this is a transparent lace top which I've made. As you can see, it's transparent. I've got white bra, a bit too sexy because the bra is a little bit it is actually lace as well, so transparent, all the transparent all together, and some shorts and some heels. Excuse my cat, she's quite happy now. I hope you like this top because I have knitted it with a lot of joy, a lot of time. For everyone who is watching. Thank you very much for watching me, for subscribing, for the thumbs up, and see you in the next video, and see you soon in the next couple of surprises.